Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Makeup Masterclass. So for today's video, I decided to play with colors and do this multicolored shimmery eye makeup look. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope you all liked this look. Let me know your views about it in the comments section below. And since you love us and our content so much, I have a little surprise for you. You can join the MyGlamm POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link to join is in the description box below. And for more such videos, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.